California courts are notoriously slow.
You brought up something just now that I wanted to kind of address, which is, we're talking about avoiding probate, but some people might not understand the idea of why would we want to avoid probate, and what's the cost look like in the time frame in order for you to do that. Can you kind of break down, because we're talking about putting homes under a trust to safeguard against that process. If, let's just say, they don't do that, what does the other side look like when they have to, pay a probate lawyer or whatever?
I think there are three categories of cost if people have to go to courts. Number one, it takes time to be in the court. The California courts are notoriously slow. I mean, it could be, we used to say maybe a year, but now sometimes it's 2 years to get through the probate court process. Mm-hmm. So there's a time cost. Then there's an emotional cost. Even if you have a speeding ticket, isn't that an emotional experience to the judge, and you try to remember your story, and then they call your case, but you've already listened to 30 other cases, and when they finally call yours, you forget what your script was, and there's an emotional cost to the courts. Well, probate is the same. When you've dealt with someone you love and they're gone, and now you have to be tied up with their name on paperwork over and over. Right. So there's an emotional cost. You can't put a dollar value on it, but we know that's real. And then the third cost would be the actual out-of-pocket cost. If you go to court, there's going to be filing fees. There'll be maybe appraisal fees. But ultimately, there's the fees for the person who is the executor, and then for the lawyer that does the work. And I just used an example a few minutes ago of $1 million home. Triggers in probate about a $21,000 fee that the court would pay the lawyer, and the executor would be entitled to another $21,000. Whereas a well-done revocable living trust plan, in my case, I'm in the middle, is like $3,000 to $4,000 or $5,000 tops,
right,
to have everything avoid that.
Right.